Hello everyone. Just wanted to share a quick video with steps you need to take if you wanna draw your crypto out of Binance exchange. Your reason can be anything. Maybe you found a better exchange, or you have gotten this dreaded email from Binance that we are unable to provide services to US citizens. That's basically my reason. I recently logged into my Binance account after a while and I got this off-boarded message and this 48-hour warning to withdraw my funds. Whatever happened between US government or TOG and Binance, I'm not going to get into all that. I just wanted to share the steps that I took to move my crypto out of Binance. So without wasting too much time, let's get into it. Just a quick disclaimer guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your due diligence. I'm simply trying to share what I know and I'm hoping this might help some of you guys. So here are the steps to move your crypto from Binance. So you go to Binance Exchange website, enter your username and password, and then you have to align this puzzle piece by moving it to the right. Next, you provide your MFA codes here. Something to note here is that you have to actually click this text, click to get code. After her entering my username and password, I was just waiting, trying to refresh my email and looking through my text messages that why I didn't get the code. So you would actually need to click here to get that verification code. Next, you might see that off-boarded 48-hour warning. I just want to quickly mention that once you log into the Binance and see this 48-hour warning, it doesn't mean that you only have 48 hours from that moment on. Your time actually starts if you select reopen account. You can still kind of backtrack at this point by leaving the session. To move forward, you can click reopen account. If you haven't already, you'll need to set up a second factor authentication before you can withdraw your crypto. In addition to your email, you'll need to enable your phone as an additional authentication device. At least that was true in my case. If you have a Google Authenticator app, you can use that as a second factor too. And once you're fully logged in, here you can see your wallet's overview. If you expand this view, you should be able to see all the crypto you have. As you can see, I only have 120 worth of Ether left in this account at this point. To start withdrawing crypto, you'll need to select this withdraw crypto button. Most of these steps should be applicable to all the cryptocurrencies out there. But if you like to move some of your crypto that is not being accepted at the new exchange that you're trying to use, you can convert your current crypto to one or more commonly used cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then you can send that crypto to your new exchange. Let me give you an example. Although I do have a hardware wallet, but in this demo I was planning to use Coinbase. I know their fees are relatively high, but Coinbase is an American platform and has not taken a hit on its reputation yet. Anyways, I had some IOTA coins. IOTA is not supported by Coinbase exchange at this point. So I converted my IOTA coins to Ethereum and then I sent that Ethereum to my Coinbase's wallet. Anyways, here's the process to withdraw your Ethereum from Binance. From the select coin dropdown, you'll see a bunch of options, bunch of other coins listed, but we only have Ethereum. So I will select ETH or Ethereum. Next, in the withdraw to, you'll need to provide the address of your other exchange's wallet. In this example, this will be my Coinbase account's Ethereum wallet's address. I'm assuming that most of you guys know how to obtain that address from Coinbase, but just in case some of you might want to see how the address is obtained from Coinbase, you just launch your Coinbase app, hit this middle transfer icon, tap receive, select an asset. Make sure you select the correct type of coin here. In my case, it'll be Ethereum instead of BTC. This is the Ethereum wallet address we'll be using in Binance. We can just tap copy here. Going back to my browser session, I'll paste my Coinbase Ethereum wallet code address in this address box here. So I'm gonna select network, and then the network is gonna be ERC20. That's basically Ethereum network. Make sure you select the correct network, because if you ended up selecting a wrong network, the coins will be lost forever, and we don't want that. In the withdraw amount option, you can enter a custom amount or you can click max to withdraw maximum amount allowed. I will click max. Now we are ready to withdraw. We're gonna click withdraw, double check that the wallet address and network is correct. If everything looks good, click continue. You'll need to provide your second factor authentication codes again from your mobile and email, and then you submit and click complete. Now you can go back to your wallet where you're receiving this crypto. In my case, it will be Coinbase's wallet. Once you submit the request, it might take few minutes to receive tokens in your other wallet. You can refresh the page to see how many confirmations are done. These days, for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, just 12 block confirmations are required. This used to be 30. We'll give it a few more minutes. As you can see, my withdrawal is completed and my Ether is moved out of my Coinbase wallet. That is all, guys. If this video was helpful, just hit the like button. Not gonna ask you guys to subscribe or anything, because on this channel most of my content is in Punjabi and Hindi. Thank you all. Catch you guys later.